All right, this is your Uncle Al again, here with some more driving lessons. I'm gonna teach my son how to be the best backwards driver in the world. You know that reference, you know where that comes from. All right, go ahead, hit some reverse right there, hit reverse. Keep your eyes on the mirrors. Good, see, I'm not standing directly behind him, I know that much. Good, there you go. There you go. Stop! You see that? That's what you want. All right, that was funny. That was funny. It scared the heck out of you, though. All right, so good. We learned different things. We learned also how to hit reverse because you're gonna have to learn how to park the car, and you gotta hit reverse. You gotta reverse. You gotta hit drive. You gotta do all that. All right, good. Peace out. Driving lessons again, always with Uncle Al. Peace.